Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to run Java in Visual Studio Code VS Code. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a Java file, just hello world application. To run it in my VS Code I simply have to press Alt B and this will compile and run it for me. So let me go ahead and show you how you can do it in your system. So first of all, I will have to delete this hello class, hello Java class. And to make this possible in VS Code, we will go ahead and install this extension which says Java run. So I'll go ahead and uninstall it. And to find it, you simply press on this button and type Java run. And you'll see you get this Java run here. This is by Kaolin. Run Java code fast and simple. This is the command that you need to run. Compile and run selected files. Okay, simple and easy, right? Go ahead and install it. Make sure it's installed. Make sure you relaunch your VS Code because Java is very sensitive to cache. So go ahead and select the file that you want to run and then press Alt B on the keyboard together. Option B on the, hopefully it's going to run on Mac, I'm not sure. So go ahead and run it by pressing Alt B and you'll see it's going to compile it, make the Java class and then run it in the command prompt or PowerShell, whatever you have. So that is it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.